I ain't combed my hair yet. So we had an earthquake this morning. 3.9, not centered in the city that we live in. It was maybe about 20 minutes away from us in Concord. It was a nice shake. It was a jolt and then rolling quake. I mean, it was enough to wake me up out of a dead sleep. Like I was sleeping good. And I thought somebody was coming in my bedroom because it sounded like my bedroom door opened. But the door was just shaking. I woke up, I was like, and everything was shaking. I was like, that's a cute little bird. It's not a hummingbird, but it's small, like a hummingbird. So yeah, we woke up, and my husband was just slept through the whole thing. I didn't even wake him up. I just let him sleep because the earthquake would have had to flip the bed to wake him up. You all right? You okay? Scared now. Scared. Gizmo scared. My sister-in-law said our cat was scared. You okay, Poop? Is that a worm? Is it moving? I think it's a worm, but I think it's dead. Is it moving? I think it's dead. Well, I'm on poop patrol. I'm out here picking up poop this morning. So I gotta do that. We're gonna take our granddaughter to Bober Tea. I'm gonna put on a wig because this head is not. I haven't combed it yet though. I gotta get dressed and put on a little makeup, do something, because I look a mess. But y'all love me. Even when I look a mess, y'all still love me. You better. So I'm gonna get ready. I'll probably do a video at the boba place. So I just want to come in and tell y'all we didn't have an earthquake, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.